Yeah, good morning to all. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Um, so what I would like to show to us now is the Instructor Studio. Simply saying that is the dashboard for instructors. I want us to see that and some of the tools that the instructors are going to have access to ensure that students, reach their goals, which is to master the skills in which they set side on. So this is the to note that there is like a different flow when students come on the platform. They register. There's a different flow from how instructors register. Yeah, up here we have teach and upskill. Clicking on this will take you to this like instructors landing page where we brief them of what they need to know before starting. These things that we see here is going to be fetched from our database. Yeah, so it's going to be live and counting. This is demo. So this page is all about telling instructors, you know, what it means to be an instructor on the platform. Yeah, all of these stuffs, how to begin, plan your curriculum, record your video, and then launch your course. Yeah. So let's look at the Instructor Studio. The Instructor Studio. So you can either log in or sign up. I'm going to go with login. I'll be using the seed data, instructor seed data we have here. This is the login for instructors. You can see instructor login. We can see your instructor login. So let me just put in the password. So this is a seed test account for instructors. Remember me. Oh, fail to fetch. Why is it failing to fetch? Is a backend running? Oh shit. Sorry, my internet got disconnected. Let me just connect that real quick. And then we see. Alright. So the backend is live. That should work. Let me click sign in. And voila, here we are, the instructor dashboard. So this is the Instructor Studio. So I believe that creating a frictionless learning environment doesn't just end with the tools that the students have, but also equipping the instructors with the tools and analytics that they need to let me see to watch on their students and see where they are falling short. So this is the Instructor Studio. We have welcome back, Alex. This is the instructor. You can see total revenue and total students per instructor or for the instructor. This dashboard is personalized for the instructors. Yeah, course published, two, average rating, this, and then revenue over months. This is the instructor revenue. Yeah, you can see recent activity, enrollments, reviews, questions, and yeah, we have this neat section here that says students needing your attention. These students having engaged recently, a note from you can ignite their progress. You can see this student here. He has been inactive last in 14 days. This student, you know, she's slowing down last in 9 days. This student has been inactive last in 21 days. So the instructor can, see these students that are inactive that are slowing down and then decide to nudge them, send them a message that, hey, what's happening? Something like that. Then we have the courses. These are the courses published by the instructor. We have this, we have that, yeah. We have quick actions, create a course, create a coupon, request payout, run promo, discussion, students, and whatnot. Then we have the instructor score. Yeah. Um, let's go over to the analytics. We have a customized analytics page that helps the instructors to analyze the progress of students. Yeah, analyze the progress of students. So we have the analytics here. We also have it here. Let me click on this. So this is the analytics. Yes, again, it shows the instructor revenue, total revenue since signed up or since the course was published, new enrollment. We have course page views, average rating, total watch time. This total watch time is the total watch time that students watch the instructor's courses or the videos. Then we have countries reach. Yeah, if the instructor has students from various countries coming from the United States, it's going to show up here. We also have performance over time. The instructors publish a course. How is the course doing the performance? Is it increasing or declining? We have revenue and we have enrollments. See, yes, revenue by course. Get to see where what is coming from. Students by country: Nigeria 98 students, Ghana 32 students, Kenya, yes, and so on. Then we have this next section here, student engagement hour. So this is like a chart that shows the time when students mostly watch the instructor's videos. Yeah, we know students are very flexible. They have different programs and different time schemes. Yeah, so but I believe that there's like an average time when majority of the students are active or learn depending on their country. Yes, there is an average time for that. So here this says when your students are most active. So this is the best time for an instructor to launch an announcement. Yeah, there are announcements here. We have students losing momentum. This section here, we have this student here last active 14 days ago. This last active 9 days ago. This last active 21 days ago, and this last active 7 days ago. So the instructor can then choose to send them a message. Yeah, send them a message. Yeah, this is nothing that all of these analytics that the instructors have here has not been incorporated with our AI, system yet. So our AI system will be able to look at this stuff, right? See this analytics, see the student that is not active or is losing momentum, and then reach out to the student either via WhatsApp or some other means. Yeah, but these are the tools that the instructors have. We have top performing students. Get to see everything here. Yeah, lesson drop off. This is very beautiful. Yeah. So this is just to say that we are trying to equip the instructors with the tools that they need to monitor their students and their progress to ensure that they don't just start a course, but they take that course to the finish. They finish that course, they achieve the skills that they want, right? Over here we have the menu, we have overview, we have analytics. You see this coming soon. My courses is coming soon. Oh, how is that coming soon? Yeah, yeah. Okay, I remember. This is not the this is not my local environment. We have my courses, we have video library, we have quizzes, announcements, assignments, sorry, students, discussions, reviews, messages, earnings, and students' progress. So they also have a create course button. Yeah, this is not my local environment. Let me go to my local environment. Yes. So no, this is not still my local environment. Voila. So the last update we did that I did recently was to work on my courses section. Yeah, we are trying to create a demo, right? And that demo requires the instructors being able to upload their courses, and then we synthesize those courses to capture the context that we are going to use for our system. So we have this my course section. Yeah, it works on my local environment. If you see this local host 30,000, this my courses doesn't have a coming soon. Clicking on this takes me to yes to the page, but on the live version it shows here coming soon. Yes, it's coming soon because I haven't committed this update. I haven't deployed it yet. So you see this is the courses section. This is recently added. You see the buttons, like the border is not coherent. We use a rounded border. You see everywhere round, but this is not round. This will show that this is still in development. This is why I've not committed it. So let me show you the process to which an instructor creates a course. We have here the create a new course button. You click on this to create a new course, and then beautiful. We have a four-step wizard that guides the instructor to creating this course. Now, when the instructor completes this step 4 or 4, right, that is when this course can be added to the draft. So if any instructor or any person starts creating a course and does not complete these 4 steps of this wizard, then the course will not be considered as draft, right? So we have the exit here, and then we have the continue. So beautiful. I want to create a course. This one is coming soon. Yes. I want to create a course. Continue. I want a title. Let me say, okay, test course title. We are going to add a function here that the instructor cannot create a course that has the name or the platform name in it. Yes, for security reasons. So test course title. Let me proceed. Which category? So the categories that we have here: development, business, finance, IT software, blah 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 blah. Let me go with development. Yes. The reason I'm showing to us these instructor tools is that we are going to be reaching out to instructors, right, on our platforms, right, and then we are going to be engaging them in a conversation, chatting with them. Yeah, that you know, like what are your challenges, managing courses and students on the platform that you are right now. Yes. So, and for that, we need to have like, we are going to engage them in that conversation, and after which, a couple of days when we launch the waiting list, we'll then reach out to them that, hey, this is I was asking you this because we're working on a platform similar to this, but now we're equipping you with more tools that you need to monitor your student progress and definitely increase your revenue. Will you mind checking this out? Go over to this domain and sign up to our waiting list. I don't know if you understand. So let me continue. Yes, so how much time can you spend creating your course per week? So we have the option, I'm very busy right now. Let's say 2 hours per week. The option, I work on this on the side 2 to 4 hours per week. I have lots of flexibility, and then I haven't decided if I have time. I'll go with 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours per week. Yeah, and then I'll continue to create course. Oh damn, there's an error here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, so there's an error. Clause not defined. Mm-hmm. As name on click. Add more to your response. So there's an error. Yes, I thought this was working. So basically, that is the when we click on that create course button, it's supposed to take us now to the manage course where the instructor can add more, the course description, additional course details, and so on and so forth, the course lessons, so on and so forth. But we can't go there now. But we can't go there now because there's an error here. So yeah, 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 yeah. I thought this was working. I thought we fix this. Yeah, I fix this. Anyway, this is it. So he wants to go because of that error. Oh my god. Yes, he wants to go because of that error. So beautiful. So that is like the process or a quick insight to the Instructor Studio on the platform. Yeah, you can see we have a lot of tools here that will help the instructors to ensure that their students reach the end goal. Right, are we there? So that is all for now.